In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an Elementor header. If you found yourself working with Elementor, either through the Elementor header and footer builder or UAE's dashboard, and you've decided that you want to modify or remove a header, this guide is for you. Let's get started and walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each part. First, you'll want to navigate to the right spot within your WordPress dashboard. Begin by heading over to the Appearance section in your WordPress admin panel. Once you're there, look for the option that says Elementor Header and Footer Builder. For those of you using the UAE plugin, you might see this option under UAE's dashboard. This is your gateway to managing headers, footers, and other parts of your website design, so it's an important area to get familiar with. Now let's focus on your header template, which is our main target for removal or adjustments today. Open up your header template from the Elementor Header and Footer Builder. You'll see a range of options, but the one that interests us most right now is the plugin's Display Conditions feature. This setting is key to controlling where and how your header appears on your site. You can either remove the display conditions that make the header show up across your site, or choose to disable it from specific pages or sections where you no longer want it displayed. This is particularly useful if you only want to keep the header visible on certain pages, giving you more control over your site's design. There comes a time, though, when you may simply want to get rid of a header altogether. If that's the case, we'll take things a step further. Instead of just fiddling with conditions, it might be easier to just delete the header template completely. This action is straightforward. Just make sure you are sure about your decision, as deleting means it's gone for good unless you have a backup. Once you've decided to proceed with deletion, go ahead and remove that header template from your dashboard. Finally, to see the effect of your changes, refresh your website. It's important to check your site to ensure everything looks as expected and the header is removed from all the right places. By refreshing, you'll get an updated view of how your website presents itself to your visitors. And there you have it. A clear, concise process to remove an Elementor header. Remember, whether you're deleting or simply adjusting display conditions, always tread carefully and consider what impact changes may have on your site's overall user experience. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy editing with Elementor.